A curious family builds a bubble-powered sound generator that turns a kitchen into a tiny concert hall. The science shows how vibrating soap films create air resonances, changing pitch as bubble size and tension shift. Steps: mix soap, water, glycerin, dip a wand, form stable bubbles, and gently wave over a frame. A microphone and app record tones, revealing that bigger bubbles produce lower pitches while smaller ones raise the sound. The expected outcome is a playful grasp of sound waves and surface tension, encouraging safe, hands-on science exploration.